Hey, what's up YouTube? This is my second video here. I have my Flyknit racers that I'm gonna wash today. These are really dirty here. I wore these to a music festival in New York last year and got these really dirty. Haven't wore these since the music festival was at the end of July, I believe. Yeah, just haven't wore them because they're like super dirty, but kind of getting around to wash these now. So yeah, I'm gonna wash these. If you saw my last video, I washed the NMDs. And the takeaway that I found out is or what I'm gonna do is actually water it first. Kind of scrape down this little dirt a little bit, because it seems like when I washed my NMDs, that was the most dirtiest part that didn't really get washed. So first I'm just gonna wipe it down with water, and then put these in the washing machine and see how it works. Here's the mesh bag that I have that I got from Amazon for, I think it's like $6 or $7, really cheap. And I do have some other Flyknit racers here, my B Trues that are pretty clean. Don't really wear these too often. Actually, these are a little bit dirty. Maybe I might wash these as well on a later date. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the washing machine and get back to you. Yeah, so I just watered these down in the kitchen sink. Just used my hands and scraped off the midsole a little bit. Still pretty dirty here, but I did a little bit of work. So now I'm just gonna put this in the mesh bag. Oh, I keep saying mesh. Yeah, put this in a mesh bag and just dump it in the washing machine. So I just took the Flyknit racers out the washing machine, and the sole is still dirty, but it looks a lot better than before. So I might just have to hand wash these with maybe like a toothbrush or something to get that extra dirt off. But the top portion actually looks really clean. Looks like all the dirt is off from there, which is good. It's just the soles that are dirty here. Yeah. I guess when I start washing shoes, I should probably just wash these soles first and then just put them in a washing machine as an extra wash, I guess. Because it seems like the shoes don't really get cleaned on the sole portions. Or maybe it's just the type of shoes, because the MMDs didn't get cleaned well there, or these Flyknit racers. But yeah, here's the finished product. Clean shoes. I do have a couple other pairs that I'm gonna wash next. I think the next one will probably be the Jordan hairs that I'll wash next, because I think I want to customize those and actually wear those shoes to Coachella this year. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.